currently 6:30 in the morning. We've arrived at the train station. Dad's kindly dropped us off. I think we've got to go through security or something, I don't know. We haven't got to check a bag, so that's fine. But there's the train over there. Millie's all rubbed up. Not that it's cold, it's actually, I don't know what the temperature is, but it's at least 25 or above. All checked in, got our little boarding card. You excited? It's gonna be weird. 11.5-hour train ride it is, but anyway. Gonna get a coffee. Got myself a ham and cheese croissant. Right, we've been going for about 5 hours now. We've just crossed into the border, the Victorian border. We've got about, I think, 7 hours to go. There's not really a lot to look at outside. Been for a walk up and down, and there's a cafe. There is nowhere to charge your phones though, so my phone's on 47%, which has got to last me another, what did I say, 6 hours or so, 6-7 hours. Yeah. Chairs are super comfy though, aren't they? They don't recline, but they don't really need to. They're sort of semi-reclined anyway. We're now coming into Melbourne. Finally. We've been on the train for 11 hours.
I don't think it felt like 11 hours.
No, actually, yeah. I think it probably makes a difference because the seats are actually comfy. You can get up and walk around. You have mobile signal, that's a big thing. Most of the way. No PowerPoints though, which is kind of rubbish. But I think the plan now is go to check into our hotel and then go get some food. Don't know what food. Got some nice views at the moment. Lovely. And nice weather too.
I'll grab all this stuff for
That's
you.
the big boy behind you.
Oh, there you go, fella. My pleasure, you're very, very welcome.
Perfect.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
See you next
See you later. We're here. It's actually quite a long train route. Look how long it is. It goes from all the way up there. You can't even see the end of it. Already feels like we're in a much bigger city, doesn't it? Do you think?
Yeah.
Just feels like you're in, feels like a capital city in a way.
I think Melbourne gives that vibe anyway. Oh, there's the boys right there.
Oh, that's the hotel Tony and Denise are staying in. And ours should just be down there. So yeah, we're going to check into our hotel and then go grab something to eat. 201. This is kind of cool though. We're 201. Which way is 201? 221. 206. We must be this way. Over. I reckon we're here. 201. Here we are. Oh, it's a bit chilly in here though. For one night, not too shabby. That was just unnecessary.
Sorry.
Shower. There I am. The throne. Yeah, that's not too bad, you know. Decided to go to a really expensive restaurant.
Yeah, no problem.
Minnie's gone for a little cheeseburger. And I've gone for the El Maco. Let's have a look at this. It's kind of sad. It's got sour cream in it, so never had sour cream in a burger before. So we're going to watch the YouTube. And some nuggets. Off to bed now. We've got to get up. Well, we've got to check out of here at by 10 a.m. We've got buffet breakfast, which I'm looking forward to. And then yeah, we've got another train to catch, a 3-hour train up to Rutherglen. And hopefully Sam will be there to pick us all up. So yeah, let's get some sleep and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Had a very good sleep. Didn't wake up once. We're just gonna go down and see what the breakfast is like. You ready? Not a bad little breakfast for $18, is it? Alright, we've all packed up and we're gonna go check out now and then go over to Tony and Denise's hotel. Bit more bougie than our hotel. On our way to the train station. Still got like an hour till our train, but we're gonna go get a coffee. Alright, we're through. I think that's our train there. It's a 3-hour train ride. Is it 3 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is our train here. This is us.
I'm hopeful. Yeah, it is hot.
Here's our setup. Not too shabby. Little tray table for your bottle.
That doesn't fit.
Tony's coming at us with the temperature check, but I need 37 degrees.
No, it's just like being air fried.
It's hot.
Hopefully once we get
It's
going
hot.
it'll cool down.
We've come here before.
It's very hot and I'm sure.
We might have come
Just been picked up by Sam.
to the Mount Pilot.
The aircon in the car doesn't work. And it's...
I don't know if the window's down today or not.
What's the temperature?
42 today? Something like that?
42.
42, 43.
All nice and
It's
snowy
moving
on the
in.
back here.
It's cooling down.
Right, we've made it to Rutherglen. We've come to what's it called? For dinner. Well, I think dinner. Definitely a beer. It's oh Jesus Christ! That scared the shit.
What?
That rubbed on my shorts and it scared me. Alright, we've just gone for drinks there. I've had 2 pints, you've had a glass of wine. Because we haven't eaten all day, we're
Ben's feeling it. So.
feeling a bit, I can feel like I've had a drink. So I can't wait for my next drink because it's been a while since my last drink, hasn't it?
What, a few days?
No, a few minutes. But I'd do a temperature check quickly because it's been a while since I've done one. So we'll whip out the phone quickly. 39 degrees. We've come to the Victorian for dinner. Are we going in here or out the back? Right, dinner's done. And you know what time it is. What time is it?
Ice cream time.
Yum. Dinner was so good, but I'm so full now. You full?
Yeah, we had pillow bread with ricotta and hot honey.
So good. Actually,
So good.
is it? I think it's temperature check time. Let's have a look.
Ben's had a total of what? 4 beers, so
4 or 5. So it's 9:15 at night. 34.8 degrees. Wait. Oh, the ice cream place is here. Ice cream time. I know what I'm going for already. I've gone for mint, and Millie's gone for...
mint.
Oh, we've both gone for mint. Alright, we've got into bed now. We've got a fan to keep us cool. Tomorrow we are going out for lunch. Don't know where. I think it's just another pub. The River Murray River. Yeah. Might go there because I think it's meant to be 42 degrees or something again tomorrow. We're gonna go to sleep now, so we'll see you in the morning.